Good day, everyone. Today we report about the cry of Bahay Toro, the one of significant event that marked the beginning of Philippine Revolution in 1896.
This version of the cry was written by Santiago Alvarez, a well-known Katipunan leader from Cavite, and the son of Mariano Alvarez, another prominent revolutionary. Although Santiago Alvarez was not an eyewitness to the actual event, he recorded what he believed happened based on accounts from other members of the Katipunan.
According to Alvarez, the cry took the place on August 23, 24, 1896 in the place excluded the Sampalucan, the Bahay Toro, and the barn of Canibenis Marcela Aquino, also known as the Mother of Katipunan.
On Sunday morning, August 23, around 500 Katipuneros gathered at Bahay Toro. They came from different towns, all ready and eager to meet Andres Bonifacio, the Suprema of the Katipunan, and to join the fight for freedom against Spanish rule.
By next day, August 24, the number of Katipuners have grown to about 1,000. And 10 o'clock in the morning, Bonifacio led the meeting inside the big barn. In atmosphere was serious and filled with deliberation.
In that meeting, Bonifacio spoke passionately about the Filipinos' right to liberty. He encouraged his fellow Katipuneros to stand united and to fight for their beloved country. The meeting ended at around noon with loud cries of "Mabuhay ang mga anak ng bayan," which means "Long live the sons of the nation."
For Santiago Alvarez, this is moment, the cry of Bahay Toro, present the first definitive act of defense by Katipuneros in symbolize the start of Philippine Revolution that will soon spread across the country.
Although historians debate where the first cry truly happened, whether in Balintawak, Pugadlawin, or Bahay Toro, what matters most is that it marked the awakening of the Filipino spirit and the beginning of our struggle for independence.
In summary, the cry of Bahay Toro reminds us of courage and unity of your accuracy who dare to rise up against comprehension and fight for freedom. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.
Sir, tapos na po.